Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is December the 1st when I am filming this, and I can't be more excited about being in the last month of the year. This year literally flew by so fast, and I've experienced so many things, so many blessings this year, and I just wanted to give back to you guys. So I partnered with Too Faced to host this giveaway. Okay, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's going to be for my Instagram, so I will have all the details on how to enter this giveaway over on my Instagram, so I'll have that video linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And what we decided to do is select one lucky winner to win the entire holiday collection. There's 3 collections in total. Okay, so one lucky winner will get all three collections. It would have been nice if I could have picked 3 people, but I can only pick 1. And I chose one of the collections to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's the look that you guys are seeing on my face right now. And I think that you guys are gonna love these collections. It's perfect. It's a perfect timing for me to share this right now because most of you guys are probably shopping and like kind of want to know what's out there, especially for holiday collections to gift to beauty lovers. I will have these collections linked down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into reviewing some Too Faced holiday collections for 2022.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Let's go ahead and get started with the first collection. So the first collection is the Too Faced Yummy Gummy Limited Edition Makeup Collection. I actually don't know if these are holiday collections but they're good collections, okay? This is a Too Faced Yummy Gummy Limited Edition Makeup Collection, and this is the one that we're going to be using to create today's look. This one intrigued me so much because I think it is perfect to gift to somebody during the holidays. Let me get this opened up. If you purchase this collection, it comes with a little makeup bag that looks like this. It has a really cute Too Faced logo on the little... I have to take this off. You guys can see the Too Faced logo. It has this little peeling thing that I can't get off because my press-on nails might fall off. Anyways, you open up the bag. Okay, and in here, you will get an eyeshadow palette that looks like this. This is the Yummy Gummy eyeshadow palette. It has gummy bears all over. And you open this up, you get a total of 8 eyeshadows, and you also get a blush. And also inside of the bag, you will get the Lip Injection Lip Balm. This one is in the color Yummy Bear. And it's also flavored, like gummy bear flavored. It's so good. Like, I liked it. This here is the first collection. Let's move on to the second collection. This is honestly not a full review. I just wanted to make a short, sweet video letting you guys know I'm hosting a giveaway with Too Faced over on my Instagram. This next one, I'm already opening it. Hold on, let me show you guys the box first. I wish I could review each and every single collection for you guys, but I'm just showing you guys the overview of what you could get. Here we have the Too Faced Christmas Bake Shop. Okay, and this consists of 3 eyeshadow palettes. This is what the packaging looks like, and you will see the 3 eyeshadow palettes that you will receive inside of here. It also comes with their very popular Better Than Sex Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever. It builds up so nice. It does not clump on you, and it also doesn't, what do you call it? Like it doesn't start to crumble and like fall on your face. You know what I mean? I hate that because I have like really sensitive eyes. Let me get these eyeshadow palettes out. The first one is the Too Faced Christmas Bake Shop Ginger Snap Eyeshadow Palette. And then you can also put to and from. So if you buy this whole set, you can gift individually 3 different eyeshadow palettes to 3 different people. You know, so it's like you're saving money. Like one gift for you, one gift for you. You get a palette. You get a... And then yeah, again, you can put the name right here, to and from, and it's adorable, cute stocking stuffers in my opinion. I would love this in my stocking. This is the Ginger Snap eyeshadow palette that you guys are seeing. Oh, the film just came out. This one does not have a mirror, but it has really cute gingerbread man all over it. You also get a blush, and you get a total of 8 eyeshadows. These are very wearable eyeshadows. I love this for like an everyday look. Moving on to the second palette that comes in there, it's the Sugar Cookie Eyeshadow Palette. A beautiful teal a beautiful teal color that you guys see. This palette is more for not like your everyday type of makeup gal, like that likes simplicity, because you get your pop of color in here, you get your darker tones to create smoky eyes. I'm a fan of this one. I really like the blush as well. I love really pink and bright blushes, as you guys can see on my face. You guys can see these side by side, the color schemes. I don't know, I just really like that Too Faced came out with something like this, like 3 different eyeshadow palettes, so you can put them in 3 different stockings. If you have multiple daughters, I think this is a great gift. And then moving on to the third eyeshadow palette inside of this collection, it's the Chocolate Chip Eyeshadow Palette, which consists of this lilac color with little cookies in the front. And you can also do the to and from in the back. Let me get this opened up. Ooh, I like this one. I like them all. That would have been great if you could have like an entire palette full of colors like this. But regardless, I think that this is a beautiful color story, and you get not a blush with this one, you get a highlighter with this one. And I'm not into highlighters, so I guess it's going downhill from here. Yeah, it just emphasizes my texture. Maybe when I was in my early 20s, this would have been a really good palette for me. But since I got a little crow's feet now, I can't wear highlighters. But here you guys can see what this palette looks like up close. That right there is the second collection. Let's move into our third and final collection. And here we have the You Drive Me Glazy Too Faced collection. Let me get this opened up. Oh wait, hold on. I forgot. This other one, the 3 eyeshadow palettes, came with the Better Than Sex Mascara. This is a mini size Better Than Sex Mascara. Okay, forgot to show you guys that. Alright, so I was reminded because there's also a Better Than Sex Mascara inside of the You Drive Me Glazy collection. It comes with a big eyeshadow palette, and it has 4 different blushes for 4 different skin tones. It also comes with an eyeliner and the Better Than Sex travel size mascara. And I haven't used this one. I probably should have used this one because this is a really big palette. Alright, you guys ready for this? Here is the Christmas Bake Shop eyeshadow palette. Is that what it's called? No, it's the You Drive Me Glazy, but it says Christmas Bake Shop in the back. Either way, this is the palette. You Drive Me Glazy. Let's open her up. Very ginormous palette. Does not have a mirror. And it has a bunch of donuts, which look delicious, but we're not doing that right now. We're trying to lose weight. That is a really nice collection here. But we're not done. Okay, this third collection has the eyeliner. You guys can see right here, the eyeliner is right in here, and then the mascara is right over here. Here's the eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner that it comes with, and then the mascara is also black. But yeah, guys, that is it. That is the entire collections that Too Faced sent over, and they're also giving them away to somebody that I pick. So if you want to enter the giveaway and win everything that I just showed you guys, definitely head over to my Instagram and check out the description box there to see how to enter. I will have the video linked down below in my description box here on YouTube so that you guys can just tap on that link where you can be redirected over to Instagram where you can enter and win all these amazing collections. But now with all that being said, I really want to show you guys how I use the Too Faced I Want a Candy collection and take you guys through the tutorial on how I achieve the look that you guys are seeing on my face. Okay, so we have the eyes done. I did apply some lashes off of camera, and now we're going to go into the blush that comes inside of the palette. This one here is called Yummy Bear. Oh, it is very powdery. Tons of kickback in the pan. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I didn't think it was going to go good with my skin tone, but it does. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, let me go over to the... Kind of smells like Gummy Bear. This set also comes with the Lip Injection Lip Balm. This one here is in the flavor. I was about to say flavor. This is in the color Yummy Bear. You guys can see the packaging is so adorable. It has little gummy bears on the little holder. I don't know what you call this. It smells like Gummy Bear. I love it. I wonder if this formula, it burns your lips. Like the lip plumper, the Lip Injection Lip Plumper. It says lip balm, so we'll see. Oh my god, it tastes so good. I want to lick it. I can taste it without having any of the product in my mouth. I don't know if that makes sense, but... Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel the tingles. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for showing up for me today. I really appreciate your time and your support, which is why I decided to partner with Too Faced to select one of my supporters to win these collections that I just shared with you guys. I am so grateful for your guys' support and the love that you guys show me in every post that I make on any of my platforms. Like, I'm just thankful to have your support, because this is what I do for a living, and I get to work from home and not be absent for my kids. So that is something that was one of my biggest goals. Like, I want to be able to support me and my kids from home, because oh god, I don't want to get emotional, but like, I want to be the type of parent that I needed growing up. Like, I want that, and you guys supporting me, showing up for me, does that for me. You guys are supporting my dream, my goal, and I'm just very humbled that Too Faced wanted to partner with me to give back to my community. So thank you guys for showing up for me today. I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.